Welcome to the Energy and Mineral Impact Contract Training. In these trainings, we will learn why you will attend contract training. We will go through the application, award, and contract. We will also talk about the state grant agreement, the exhibits that go along with it, reimbursement and reports, and monitoring. In this section, we're going to talk about contract training goals. Our goal with this training is to communicate recent changes to DOLA contracts. We want to assist local government employees and elected officials in grant administration and clarify program requirements. We're also going to be describing the program timelines and processes. The Energy and Mineral Impact Assistance Fund, or EIAF program, typically has 3 cycles per year, with applications due on April 1st, August 1st, and December 1st. We have 2 funding tiers. Tier 1 is up to $200,000. Tier 2 is $200,001 up to $1 million. We also offer administrative grants, which can be applied for at any time during the year. These grants are for planning and design. The maximum award for administrative grants is $25,000, and they do require a 50-50 match. The total budget for these projects is up to $100,000. How to get a grant. The first step is to apply. This involves planning your project with contact from your regional manager. They will help you through the application process. Step 2 is a DOLA internal review. Tier 1 projects only have a staff review, while Tier 2 projects have a staff review and a review by the Impact Advisory Committee. Both bodies will make funding recommendations to our executive director, who then makes the ultimate funding decision. If you are lucky, you will get an award letter. From there, we move on to contracting. Your regional staff will write the scope of work, and you will go through the execution process, which starts out with the elected official signing the contract, mailing it back to Denver, where DOLA signs the contract, and then you can begin your work. For effective communication during this process, remember that communication mostly flows between your regional manager and your responsible administrator. Your responsible administrator or your grant manager are responsible for your progress reports and reimbursement requests. Your elected official is responsible for signing any contracts and amendments. All of these will flow back to your regional manager, who will then pass it on to other DOLA staff. This concludes Section 1 of the training. Section 2 will talk about the state grant agreement.